Okay, everybody, welcome back again. Last video, we rebuilt this drive shaft, new carrier, 3 new U-joints. The shaft is indexed, referenced, everything is ready to go back in, and that is what we are going to do next. The reassembly process is going to be rather quick, so after that we can move back towards the front end and get the rest of the steering linkage put together because those parts have finally arrived. So let's get to it. Time is of the essence. Alright, drive shaft, get back in there. Let's get you lined up. Whoa, loud noises. You know, I wonder if those people drive like that all over town or if they only do it in front of the shop. Okay, back down below on the creeper. I think, see, when I took the drive shaft out, I left the carrier for last. I think I'm going to do that, like kind of in order, where I'll put the front on and then move to the carrier and then go do 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 do, and then we'll finally move on to the rear and get that one strapped on. That's the plan so far. Okay. And again, I'm sliding all over the place because this creeper's. Oh, this. Alright, bear with me guys, I'm summoning the will. Oh, because this thing's heavy. Kind of holding it up with my knees. On one side, I'm gonna be filthy by the time I'm done with this one. I just really need to get a couple of these threaded, just so that it takes the weight. Ooh, ow. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Experiencing muscle fatigue here. Next. All right, there's 2. Kinda. Nope. That was a false sense of security. That's what that was. Come on. Whew. Okay, let me try to run these in so I can relax for a minute. There we go. Now we're getting safe. Okay. Spinning is the shaft. Come on, you. Oh, wrong way. There we go. Okay, that's 3. Let's turn our attention towards the rear some, and we'll throw this carrier on. You guys see it? Yeah, there it is. Okay. Ooh-wee, buddy. The drive shaft going up. Where's my little baby impact? We're gonna not screwing around here. Okay, there we go. Woo hoo hoo. Click. Come out of there. Why? Okay, this is how we lose sockets. Give it back to me. Come on, this is stupid. extension, or better yet, pry bar. Pry bars are good for everything. Pry bar hammer, pry bar, pry bar. Oh, come on. Insertable pry bar. We're just going to wiggle that around till it comes out. I'll have to leave this thing here and get a new one. Bull, what are you doing? What a fail. I quit. Cut. Maybe if I yank on it and wiggle it at the same time. There we go. There we go. Got it. Thank you. That was grand. It truly was. Okay. Back to the front. We're not done up there yet. And I'll show you why. Okay, the reason why that I speak of is we need to put some thread locker. There we go. That was probably too much, but it'll be fine. Click. Oh, don't drip that on me. I don't want it. Good. And una más. The battery sounds low. Is it? No, it's good. More drippage. Alright. Cool. Okay. Moving out back. Let's go get the rear shaft installed. Or the rear of the shaft. Then we can crawl out from under here. Okay. Let's get rid of this tape that I've got on here to keep these bearing cups in place. I think that's all of it. Yes, it is. Go to your home, please. Like so. Beautiful. Let's see, that goes that way. Not gonna work. Start a bolt. Again, more thread locking compound. This is the drive shaft. Not something to be messed with or underestimated. Normally I don't show things like thread lock. For example, if I were to stick some in there while you guys weren't looking, you would yell at me for not using it. There's no faith. But I think that's the game, you know, find out who did what wrong.
Talking to yourself again?
Yeah. Well, I'm talking to the internet.
Hey, I might borrow your pressure washer one day.
Help yourself.
To do my drive driveway.
Yes. Become tight now. Click. Give it back. Okay, one more strap, 2 more bolts, and we're out of here. Not a moment too soon. Go. And let's see, witness mark says that goes like that. Almost there. Yeah, the boss is picking on me for taking a long time. I invited him to do it. Give it back. Impact ratchet. Okay, sweet, let's get out of here. But we'll do a real quick review just to make sure everything is where it's supposed to be. We've got 2 straps, 4 bolts, 1 clip, 2 clips. Here's the other one. Moving forward, carrier bearing, 1, 2, 3, and you can't see, but I can feel the 4th one up here. 4, 2 bolts that are tight. 4 bolts that are tight. 1, 2, 3, 4 little clips. I am done servicing this shaft. All right, let's get out of here, get the front end done. All right, everyone, I think I've kept you guys occupied with this particular vehicle long enough, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this series right about now. All I have left to do is grease all these Zerk fittings and throw the wheels on. I'll do a wheel alignment, but that's gonna happen tomorrow morning. But I'm not gonna record that because I want to get busy on some other projects, and I lose about 2% efficiency by operating the camera. Shh, don't tell anyone. Anyway, having said that, as always, I'd like to thank all you guys for watching my video, and I want to let you know that I certainly do appreciate it, especially since you're here at the end of like a multi-part series. I'm assuming that since you made it all the way this far that you like these particular... I'm assuming that since you made it all the way here to the end of this series that you like this series of videos. And if you did like this series of videos, please feel free to communicate that to me effectively by tapping that like button down below. That button is what lets me and YouTube know that I've done a good job here. And if YouTube thinks I've done a good job here, it is far more likely to recommend my content to other potential viewers. And that's good for me, that's also good for the viewers. So, again, and as always, thank you for watching, and most importantly, don't forget to have yourself a great day. See you guys later. End of transmission.